Controller restore successful. The message reads, Controller restore successful, January 1st, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. Priority medium. Restore programming successful. The backup file has been successfully restored. File from equals base manager. Controllers can be restored from backup files several different ways. At the controller, turn the dial to advanced, then data management. You can select to restore from a USB drive if you have one, or from Base Manager, assuming your controller is connected. Controllers can also be restored from Base Manager in the Admin menu, then manage Base Station 3200s. Navigate through the list of your controllers to find the correct one. At Restore Programming, you can select a recent backup or one of the automatic weekly backups. What happens now? Actually, no action is required. You can just be assured that your controller backup data, including programs and system configuration, has been restored.